Hello, students. I wanted to go over the zoo puzzle with you, just in case we don't have time to go over this in every class. Okay, just remember the left side is the zoo. Okay, every cage, every rectangle of animals is a cage. Okay, you want to write down the type of animal on the blue slide. Okay, the last names are on the bottom. Okay, remember that rectangles are males and circles are females. Okay, so let's just go through this. Number one, what family is visiting the polar bears? Okay, we did that in class. We said that the animals that are outside the cage are doing the visiting. Okay, so this set of animals is not in the cage, and that is the Zuff family. Okay, number two, what kind of family are they? Okay, well, if you're an animal in a zoo and you're not caged up, hopefully you are a human. So those are the humans. So we have the answer, and we have the answer in the purple slide, and we have the name of animal on the blue slide. Okay, before we go on, okay, said what family is visiting the polar bears? So since this animal here is being visited, those are the polar bears. Okay, number three, which family is the largest in number? Okay, just count each family up, and it's the kazoo family. Number four, which is the family of spiders? Okay, the clue here was that the middle one on top, it has 8 legs. Okay, those are the spiders. And if you look at the key, that is the Lesger family. I'm going fast because YouTube only gives me 15 minutes. Okay. Number five, whose son has Mr. Crocodile just swallowed? So the interesting thing here, if you look here up at the top left, there's a Mr., there's a male with a little male inside. So that's supposed to be the crocodile. Okay, so this is the male crocodile. Swallowed. Okay, look at that. Look at that little guy inside. He came from this cage over here. Okay, and that is the bees family. So the son that Mr. Crocodile just swallowed, it would be Mr. Bees's son. And we know that the animal on the far left top are the crocodiles. Okay, number six, which is the swimming family. When I did this puzzle, that's one that I saved till the very end. But I'll go ahead and tell you, this is supposed to be fins up here. Okay, and that's the squeal family. So we don't know what kind of animal it is, but because they have fins, okay, this is the swimming family. So we're going to answer the question 6 is squeals. By the way, some people got a little more specific and wrote, let's see, seals, penguins. There were some other answers you had that would have been good, as long as they swim. Okay, number 7, which family has just 3 daughters? Okay, that's the spiders. There's 3 small circles. The next slide is the polar bear's cub, male or female? Okay, remember the polar bears? They were being visited by the humans. Okay, here's the polar bears. And the little shape is a rectangle instead of a circle, so it's male. Okay, number 9, which family has no offspring? Okay, look for an animal that has no little drawings inside of it. And that's this animal right here. There's 2 men and 1 woman, but I don't see any kids. If you look down at the key, that is the, let's see, sliz family. Number 10, which is a family of snakes. Okay, the hint here, the idea here is that snakes have no legs. So that would be the sliz family. And also maybe the name sliz kind of sounds like maybe the sound that a snake would make. Sliz family. Okay, number 11, which is the family of kangaroos. Guys, this was the most missed question out of all of them. This was the most missed question. Okay, kangaroos. Kangaroos, something special about kangaroos is that a mom has a pouch when they have a baby. Look right here on the left side, bottom. Okay, there's a mama, and there's a baby that's attached. Okay, that's supposed to be showing you a pouch. Over here in the middle, that's a baby inside a mama. Okay, so that's something a little bit different. Okay, so the kangaroos are the far left corner on the bottom. And that family is the name Swift, the Swift family. Okay, number 12. What is the last name of the elephant baby soon to be born? Okay, that's really what we just talked about. Center, bottom. The mama has a baby inside. Okay, so that animal are the elephants. And the last name, if you look at the key, would be ample. Okay, 13. How many sons has Mr. Giraffe? Okay, look at the animals left. We have the second one on top, and the one on the end, and then the one on the bottom right. Giraffes, think of it this way, they stand on 4 legs. So they want you to know that the second one on top is the giraffes because it's an animal that has 4 legs. And they're tall. At least the father is tall there. So those are the giraffes. And there are 0 sons. Okay, there's only 2 daughters in there. Okay, number 14, which family has no father? Okay, just find the animal where there's no big rectangle. Okay, that was over here. That was the swimming family, the squeal family. Okay, there are bigger rectangles, but I think those are maybe teenage sons and a baby boy son. Okay, but there's no father. So that would be the squeal family. Okay, 15, which mother is away at the hospital? Okay, just look for a missing mother. Okay, that would be the giraffes. The giraffes. 16, who are the neighbors of the monkeys? Well, we haven't labeled the monkeys yet. They don't swim, so it's got to be one of these. Maybe a way, and this could also be one that you could have saved till the end. But maybe, notice this. Look at the humans. Remember outside the cages? Look how similar these drawings are to those drawings. Okay, get it? Okay, because humans look a lot like monkeys. So this group right here on the bottom right is supposed to be the monkeys. And the neighbors of the monkeys would be the polar bears. By the way, 16 was a really common mistake too. Okay, 17. A wee pelican wandered into whose cage? Okay, guys, remember the crocodile? Okay, the crocodile ate another animal, Mr. B's son. Remember that? Well, Mr. B's son, that must be the pelican family. Okay, so these are the pelicans. So the family of pelicans would be, oh, wait a minute. Sorry. A wee pelican has wandered into whose cage? Got ahead of myself. Okay, so the wee pelican, the little pelican, wandered into the crocodile's cage. So the family of pelicans, we know those have to be the pelicans, that would have to be the bees family. Okay, what is the zookeeper's name? Okay, the humans are not caged up. So the only lonesome human is over here. Okay, that's supposed to be the zookeeper. Okay, the last name, look at the key, Glup. So Mr. Glup. Okay, number 20. What are the other three objects in the zoo? Okay, there's no family name to the triangles, right? Triangle there. Okay, there's no family name, so they're not alive. So you just want to think about what could be in a zoo that's not alive. I've had people put food stands, drinking fountains, pop machines, restrooms, information booths, let's see, food stands. I've had people put those stations where you get the food to feed the animal. Okay, so it could be lots of different things. Birds, could be birds that are just kind of flying free. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. I did go really fast because YouTube cuts me off at 15 minutes. Okay, but you did a real good job. Really good problem solving here. We're going to have a good year this year, and I'm looking really forward to working with you all. Okay, thank you.